When you're at work, you shouldn't feel threatened. You should feel like you can do your job safely. Here's a real story that shows what workplace sexual harassment actually looks like and how it can go really wrong when a company doesn't step in. This happened at a Red Robin restaurant in Everett, Washington. There was a 45-year-old male line cook who, according to federal filings, was constantly sexually harassing his female coworkers. We're talking daily, making gross sexual comments, asking for sex, staring at their bodies, touching them without permission, just completely crossing the line. And one of the women he was targeting, she was only 18 years old. She had just graduated from high school and was just starting her first real job. Now here's the part that makes it worse. Multiple employees actually did report this guy to management. They told their supervisors what was going on, but nothing meaningful happened. The harassment just kept going. No one stepped in to protect them. Eventually, one of the women, who worked as a server, felt so unsafe and unsupported, she quit. She was basically pushed out of her job. That's what we call constructive discharge, where things are so toxic, quitting feels like your only option. So the federal government, the EEOC, which handles workplace discrimination and harassment, stepped in and filed a lawsuit against Red Robin. The results? Red Robin had to pay $600,000 to 4 former employees. But money aside, they also had to make big changes at their restaurants. For 12 locations in Washington, they're now required to bring in an outside expert to help fix their harassment and retaliation policies, retrain their employees and managers on how to handle these situations, and actually hold supervisors accountable when they don't follow the rules. And here's the big legal takeaway. Under Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, employers must take harassment complaints seriously. If they don't, and people are getting harassed, retaliated against, or forced to quit because of it, they can absolutely be held responsible. You have the right to work somewhere safe. Harassment, especially when it's reported and ignored, isn't just wrong, it's illegal. And companies can pay a big price when they look the other way. If you'd like to read about this case on the EEOC website, we will provide the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more real-life employment law cases.